Hi everyone, this is a quick news video for you. Do you like my little news microphones? Anyway, if you are using any of my programs with your students, if you're using any of the programs, the rhythmic movement programs or sensory regulation programs on bodybraintech.com, or if you have been following any of my webinars, there have been numerous people, quite a number of you have said that you want to work together with me in a collaborative way, where the one thing that I really need for some of this training that I'm doing is I really need videos and photos of children participating in some of these approaches, the approaches that I talk about for sensory regulation and all of the different things that I talk about. It's been really hard for me to explain to you what it is that I need. So I've had numerous people emailing me and saying, we're willing to send you videos, but what do you need? So I just want to show you what the approach is, because I have so much information that it's really hard for me to narrow it down and hone in and tell you what it is that I actually need. So I'm sending this video to those of you that have reached out to me that are I'm so thankful to you that you are willing to work with me. Obviously, you would need to get parent permission, which we all understand the privacy involved, but the videos and photos and data would only be used for training other therapists and teachers. That's the reason that we would be using these. So let me just explain this to you. For those of you that have been really interested in the work that I'm doing, and thank you for the wonderful emails I've been getting from you all. But a lot of you have joined this international working group. I called it the International Working Group, and I changed the name because I think the name Share, Learn, Connect is actually more descriptive. So if you're on this Facebook page or this Facebook group, then we've had some discussions here about you submitting your student videos. But I've had a really hard time knowing how to get this information to you, because if you're on my membership site, you'll see that there are lots and lots of courses and activities, and under every single course, there's lots and lots of information. So it's been very difficult for me to know how to even tell you what it is that I need. So what I started doing on my membership course was I have this section called downloadable materials. And under the downloadables, if you go to view materials, I know that a lot of you are probably not on the membership site, but this is what I wanted to suggest to you. This is what you'll see under downloadables. And if you are interested in doing some of these activities with your students and sending me videos of your students doing these, I do have a permission form that your parents can sign. And videos are being used for training other professionals. So trying to get these concepts and these causes out to as many people as possible. And it's so much easier for me to explain concepts if I can show students doing these activities. So what I've started doing is I've started creating workbooks that are abbreviated versions of what I'm explaining. So what I'm going to do is, for now I've got 3 workbooks. I've actually got 4, but I'm not going to focus on the last one. But I've got 3 workbooks that are very practical, that you could use very easily. And I'm going to create quick little mini videos about what each one of these are. I'll put the videos here into the Share, Learn, Connect Facebook group. I will also send the videos out on my email group. And so if you're interested in having your children do some of these activities, I would be quite happy to send you these workbooks and have you look at them and then send me videos. Now, I will say I've spent enormous amounts of work on creating all of this content. So these are not workbooks that I'm just handing out to everyone for free. I've given my content out for free for about 3 years now, and I'm starting to be selective about what I just give out for free. My programs on Body Brain Tech are free for anybody to use, but my training and some of this course material, I'm not just handing out for free anymore. So if you are interested in these workbooks, let me know and I will send it to you if you can commit to sending me some videos of your students. So that was the quick news blurb, and I made this as quick as possible, and I would love to hear from you. Thank you.